सगळ्यांक गुड इवनिंग. आमचो ड्राफ्ट जावन आसा 4 पेजीचो. पयलीं आमकां केन्ना दिसता की जे हे अक्युजान केला, अक्युज जावन ताका म्हणटा कित्याक ऑलरेडी तेजे अगेन्स्ट एक FIR जावन आसा बिचोली पुलीस स्टेशनाचो. पूण त्या FIRान फकत एकू सेक्शनाचेर तेजेर FIR जाला 299 सेक्शन 299 म्हणून, विच इज हर्टिंग रिलिजियस सेंटिमेंट्स. पूण तेणें जें केलां तें आनीकू जायत केलां. इट्स नॉट जस्ट रिलिजियस सेंटिमेंट्स, but there is public tranquility. He has breached public tranquility. So we have made this complaint all inclusive. 299 आणि दुसरे पण सेक्शन्स आहाय. पण फर्स्ट आमी मातशें याद करूया कितें कितें म्हणलां तें तेणें. अक्युजान कितें म्हणलां तें आमी याद करूया, बिकॉज वी शूड नॉट फॉरगेट हाव ही हॅज इन्सल्टेड अस. आणि जे विक्टिम्स आसा ताचे जे विक्टिम्स आहाय, आख्खे गोंयांत विक्टिम्स आहाय. तेणे जे केला बिचोलीन केला, पूण तेगे विक्टिम्स आख्खे गोंयांत आहाय. दॅट इज वाय वी आर फायलिंग आवर कंप्लेंट अँड दॅट इज वाय वी वॉन्ट आवर FIR इन पोंडा. कित्याक आमी सगळीं हांगा गॅदर्ड जे आहाय, आमी सगळीं विक्टीम आहाय. एवरीबडी हॅज बीन विक्टिमायज्ड. वॉट ही हॅज सेड, हांवें इंग्लिशीन बरयलां, बट हीज स्पीच वॉज इन कोंकणी. That the corpse of Xavier be sent for DNA testing. Not San Francis Xavier, but Xavier multene. As if I don't have to say more. And corpse multene. Mulyar shav, body, eshkon multene. Not relics. He should say relics, mode multene. That is the most demeaning way to relate to our saint. And Sant mulyar kon. After all the miracles, after all the missionary work, it is recognized by His Holiness the Pope, and then after evidence you get sainthood. Mother Teresa also got sainthood in the same way. So it is not. So they are not like you and me. We are sinners. They are not like you and me. They are holy. And this sinner, we have forgiven him. I think all the parishioners have forgiven him, but the sinner has committed some grave offenses. Further he says that those people are lying to the public. Those people kon? Those people mulyar ami Kristawa, goinchi Kristawa, Roman Catholic Church. They are saying that we are lying to the public, that the relics are not the relics of Saint Francis Xavier but some other individual he's trying to allege. So he's saying we are lying. He's called us liars. So should we not get upset? Yes. Should we not be insulted? Yes. That government is spending money on the feast of Saint Francis Xavier, and that is amounting to cheating. That we as Catholics, and because the government is spending on that feast, that there is cheating, that we are cheating the people. He's called us cheaters also. That the celebration of the feast amounts to worship of Portuguese. Are we worshipping people and Portuguese, or are we worshipping God? So is this individual, does he know what worship is, and does he know what God is? And that is exactly what Custo Dias has said. He does not even know what God is and who God is and the godliness. That further he says that Saint Francis Xavier is the one who brought inquisition on the ancestors and is not a hero. He is trying to change the course of history. He is trying to change our memory of our Saint Francis Xavier of Goinsa Sahib. He is trying to demonize our patron saint, Goa's patron saint. He is trying to demonize, and he is directly saying he is not a hero. When Father Bolmax has spoken about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, he said he is a national hero, and he got arrested. He only said he is not a god, but he called him a national hero. He got arrested. And this accused is saying that Goinsa Sahib is not a hero, and he is demonizing him. When we know the history of 400 years, we know the history. He is trying to rewrite history. He is trying to demonize all of us. That Saint Francis Xavier is the one who was worshipping Portuguese and was licking the boots of Portuguese. Satta munesh konten mula, the words used. Then how can he be hero? So he's saying that Saint Francis Xavier was, I don't want to repeat, but licking the boots of Portuguese. Was Saint Francis Xavier doing that, or was he doing the work of God? He was doing the work of God. But this is how he wants to rewrite history. He wants to say that he was licking the feet of Portuguese. This is the most disgusting thing I saw in that video. Most disgusting. A direct imputation on our saint. That our hero is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Be it. That we will not allow this Francis Xavier Eshkon Mutta. Is there a competition? Is there a competition whose saint and whose king is better? Is there a competition, or do we live in harmony? In Goa, we live in harmony. He's trying to create a divide. These words are telling that he's trying to create a divide. That's why I have added more sections. But we should see whether the police are understanding this. That calling him Goenka Sahib is an insult to Hindus and ancestors. How? Goenka Sahib means we are not saying that he is the boss of Goa and he's this and that. We call him the protector of Goa. We don't get tsunamis in Goa. We don't get earthquakes in Goa. Why? We believe, it is our faith, that it is because of Saint Francis Xavier. That is why it is a name given by everybody. Saint Francis Xavier Motai Goenka Sahib. It is not that there is some competition with Lord Parshuram or a competition with Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. We are not in competition. We respect them. But for us, Goenka Sahib is one and only Saint Francis Xavier. And there is no need to apportion our titles to any other. That now, one more he says, that now we are free and independent Goa and he is not our side. Shivaji, Parshuram are our side. I have just covered that. Shivaji Maharaj and Parshuram Lord are also heroes, and we recognize that. We have learned that in our history. We had one small, एक दाखलो textbook ahlo amko Goan history mudun NCERT भुरग्यांक खबर आसतले. We have learned. So we keep that in our hearts. But Goenka Sahib is only and only Saint Francis Xavier, and that they will not change it. More he says, that the body was kept here, body, everybody pay attention, body. That the body was kept here, Mode was kept here to instill Portuguese rule. Now that there is no Portuguese rule, that Mode be taken away, such shall be our appeal to the government. We are going to put a representation to the government that this, our relics of Saint Francis Xavier should be taken away. He is trying to spend money of the government to deprive us of our right under Article 19 to profess our religion. This is an assault on each one of you and on me. This is why we are going to the police. So bear in mind, this is the major offense. This is the big offense. Now, आम्ही also म्हणलो आहा आमगे कंप्लेनान की pursuant to this, after this public meeting that he took and he made all these insinuations, तेज उपरांत आत लोक भायर सोले. There is a disturbance in the society. काल म्हणून मडगांवान there was little bit of aggression also, and that can happen. काल कोणी मातसो touch केल्यार it can result in a riot. A rioting type of situation is created. Rioting type of situation is created, and we don't want that to happen. That is why we have added sections. Magir. Eyes. Ami anga evening in ahaino. Sokani Mapshen. Some factions. I don't want to say Hindu factions, but there were some factions, anti-social factions, who were supporting Wellinkar, and they were repeating the same thing. DNA काडपाचे, हे सगळे करपाचे, this Saint Francis Xavierचे relics काडपाचे, all these things they were repeating. We will get their names. We will take action. All these things they were repeating. Munun, Amuta. They are exasperating the situation. They are doing more and more, trying to incite us more and more. They are creating, he and his gang are creating a riot-like situation in Goa. Tomorrow, anybody by mistake will say something, anybody by mistake, now right now I am so angry. Anybody might say anything, anybody might do anything. It is provocation. This is provocation. This is the anatomy of rioting. And dare I say, even in 2002, in a particular state on the western coast, there was one CM who was quiet, and it resulted in a big riot. People died in the thousands, and they got cut up. And right now also we are seeing a leader, a head of Goa, quiet, in fact smiling. So I don't know whether they are hand in glove or not, but it is a suspicion that I have. Now FIR is already there on him, but we want another FIR. कित्याक आम्ही भी सगळी victim आहाय. I have explained that, and also more sections are there which that FIR is not dealing with. 2 points are there. One is religious point and one is public tranquility point. आणि जे sections आम्ही आता मुटाय आसपासचे मूळ 192 of BNS. BNS हुई तेंकते हिंदी जाय म्हणून आमचेर हिंदी गाता येते BNS मुटाय. And am BNS mutai. We don't want to say all the other things. So BNS 192, which is creating a situation of rioting. 196, which is that there are words which are causing inter-religious disharmony. Then 197, which means that if you make some kind of request or plea or assertion that the particular religion should not be able to get its freedoms, then that, because he has made an announcement that he is going to go to the government to take away our St. Francis Xavier from us. So that is why I have asked for this section. Section 299 also which is the section dealing with hurt of religious sentiments. Ani 302. Whoever with deliberate intention of wounding the religious feelings utters any words or gestures, then there is a term of imprisonment which will extend to 1 year. So this also he has done. So these sections we have now covered. We are hoping that the police takes it seriously. Actually, police comes under the direct instructions of Home Ministry. So, but we are the ones who live in the home. We have to be protected. So we are requesting all of y'all to join us. Of course, you're right here. We will walk there and we will make this happen.
देव बरें मोठ्यान ताळयो दियात. आमचो बावट